Bonjour, monsieur.
What? Who are you?
Dabere. Mazi Ikpondo Zota.
Ikpondo? Oh! You mean Dabere?
Yes.
Hey. What you are wearing couldn't even allow me to recognize who you are.
Oh, okay. You know, I went to learn reggae music. So I saw you. I said, let me give you one of my tracks. Yes.
You are now a full-grown woman.
Yes. I'll see you later. I see you when I see you.
Amen. See, I can't believe this. The gods have chosen for us. Who will be the next king for this very village?
I wonder how he managed to get this beautiful wife. Oh.
Didn't you know he married this woman when she was 20 years old? When she was young?
The gods are wise. My brother, let's go.
The man, people leaving me go.
My man, how much be your money?
1,000.
Oh, just 1,000 naira?
Yes.
No, I cannot give you 1,000 naira. That's $10,000. Take a look for you. Yeah. In fact,
madam.
because say you do well today,
Madam.
I will play you my album whenever I come out.
Madam, thank you.
No problem.
Madam.
Just as you did thought, I'm going to play you the music.
Thank you.
Yes.
If somebody told me I'll be who I am today, yeah, man. If somebody told me I'll be who I am today, when I was still a little girl in this village, my mama used to tell me, daughter, you'll be great tomorrow. But here I am today, by the grace of Jarasta. Everybody wanna dance my song. All my people, them I want me to play. All the people, them I want me to play. All the people, them I want me to play. Everybody wanna dance my song. All my people, them I want me to play. All the people, them I want me to play. All the people, them I want me to play. If somebody told me I'll be who I am today, Gerard, when I was still a little girl in this
For how long will this girl suffer this? Who is going to help me? Hey, let me try.
I am so happy. You know why? Why? Because who God has chosen, no man can curse. The rejected stone. Abulugo the cornerstone. You want to go?
No, I don't understand. Are you trying to say that he deserved the throne? Is that what you're saying?
Of course he deserves the throne now. That is his birthright. And you know what? He inherited the throne from his father. And the gods chose him. The crown. Hey!
You are not totally correct, my friend. Yes. Don't forget that my father is in his cabinet. What I know is that they don't support his leadership.
Why now?
Chika, royalty does not flow in the family of a poor man. I have never seen it happen.
It's not good now.
Life is not good. Life is not fair. What you see, you take.
Hey, thank God you are okay now.
Thank you.
Oh. But Uju, for how long are you going to be suffering like this? Yeah?
I don't know. I'm not happy with myself anymore.
Akwame have refused to do what I told him to do. Your brother has money. I told him to fly you abroad for treatment.
Honestly, my brother has been trying, He has been trying, He's been spending money on me. Seriously, I feel like killing myself.
No. Uju, don't say that, yeah? You will not kill yourself. I think you're okay now. We can start going to the house, right?
Thank you.
Get up.
I'm a Rastafari in the city. Rastafari without dada. Your jazz will never get me. Yeah, cause I must rule my destiny. Yeah, me say, destiny. Be careful what you're doing. Destiny. Cause I must rule my destiny. Destiny. Rastafari no dey die young. I must rule my destiny. I'm a Rastafari in the city. Rastafari without dada. Your jazz will never.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Auntie, good afternoon. Yes, greetings. Welcome, Auntie. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Je m'appelle.
My name is Mma. Ichie Odunze's daughter.
Ah, Ichie Odunze.
Yes.
Oh, bonjour. Bonjour. Welcome.
Okay, thank you. But Auntie, are you now a French woman? You're welcome, Auntie. I just said, don't worry, since you're sweeping, let me help you now. I can sweep very well. Let me sweep for you.
Merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Thank you.
Rastafari in the city. Rastafari without dada. Your jazz will never get me. Yeah, 'cause I must rule my destiny. Yeah, me say destiny. Be careful what you're doing. Destiny. 'Cause I must rule my destiny. Destiny. Rastafari no dey die young. I must rule my destiny.
Good day, sir. How are you?
Are you looking for somebody?
Yes, we are here for the meeting of kings.
You mean you're here for the
meeting? Open the gate.
Didn't you hear him? Sorry, ma. This meeting is for kings and queens, not for anybody.
So what makes you think I am not a king? Go open the gate.
No, I have to confirm from the king first. He said this.
Igwe. My queen, you're welcome. Don't you know him? This is the queen of Umuloma Kingdom. Open the gate for him. Igwe, come in.
Thank you.
Queen, you're welcome.
Coming with motorcycle, while others are coming with cars. Hey!
You know, no matter how heavy you are, you don't have to be scared. You see, no matter how heavy you are, I will always lift you up. You know you're my baby girl.
I was so scared of falling.
You shouldn't be.
I was so scared.
I am so happy to have you as mine. And I thank God the day that I found you. I love you so much.
I love you too, baby.
Come here. So, let us toast too. Let's have a toast. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So, we toast to more years on this earth and fruitful days ahead. More days of laughter and happiness to Allah. Definitely. So, ladies first.
Yeah.
And the gentlemen. Okay. I'm gonna have a taste of yours, then you have a taste of mine. Okay. So let's do it this way.
Oh,
there is love in sharing.
You.
I'm very happy, sweet. So.
Madu. I was going to your house to call you. Odunze is waiting for us.
I'm on my way to his place. What is this you are doing?
I don't know what that girl called you to. What is that her name? Daberi. I don't know what they call it.
Which Daberi?
Why are you asking me which Daberi? You don't know the daughter of Ikondo. She is back.
Are you serious?
Hey. Maduka, you are asking me if I'm serious. Have I ever told you lies? She is back now. She is a musician and she came with a lot of money.
Anyway, whether you are serious or not, let us go. We'll discuss that later. Let us go.
I guess I'm called you.
Straight. Let us go.
Maduka, we need to talk about Dabere and the money she's sharing. We will talk about Dabere later.
Feel, Jamma Rastafari. I me say, feel, Jamma Rastafari. I remember when I was in the city, trying so hard to make ends meet. Jare, got something good, I wanna go home. Hey. This is something good, can't you feel it? The rest of man come back with good days. Something good, I wanna go home. This is something good, can't you feel it?
Sissy, take this.
Sissy, what is this?
My soundtrack.
Song?
My soundtrack.
Soundtrack?
Me lay down like a bomb clock. My soundtrack.
My
song. Yes. You have to listen to it. You will love it.
Hey!
Yes.
Sissy.
And this is for you.
Sissy.
30,000 dobras.
Sissy.
Yes, for you.
All this. Nekwego. All this for me, Sissy. Sissy. Hi! Thank you so much. Sissy, I never knew you're this nice.
Very nice.
Hi!
You're also very generous.
Hi!
Be generous.
Sissy. Sissy.
What were you telling me about the king, Ichi? He's a new king. He's now the king. Or he has been the king.
Sissy, our king, the Ichi, our king, he's very poor. We have a poor king. Igwa itileti.
It doesn't matter. That's his birthright. Where I'm coming from, where I went to learn reggae, they say your birthright is your pride. In a pride, man. That's his pride.
Pride?
Yes. So, mon ami, you were telling me something about the elders.
Yes, so, Sissy, the problem is that the elders are not happy. They are planning on how to dethrone him if possible.
I will not allow them to do that. I do not have to tell you everything that is going to happen, but I will not allow them. Yes, mon ami, I will not.
But Sissy, what's this? Mon ami.
Mon ami.
Yes.
That is my friend.
Hi!
Oui.
So I'm not your friend. Sissy.
Your money.
Hide it very I'm hiding it already. Inside the inner carcass. Yes. Inside the inner carcass. Yes, I'm hiding it already. Sissy.
Don't forget to listen to my song.
I will. The whole villagers, they must listen to this song.
Thank you very much.
I will go and tell them. Sissy.
With more. And legendary flavor.
Mon ami.
Feel, Jamma Rastafari. I me say, feel, Jamma Rastafari. I remember when I was in the city, trying so hard to make ends meet. Jare, got something good, I wanna go home. This is something good, can't you feel it? The rest of man come back with good days. Something good, I wanna go.
My people, I greet you all. We cannot be dining and whining, making merry, when a poor king rules over our community. A poor king that has no good intention for his people. I think there's need for a change to be made.
Change is always constant.
Yes, yes.
But our purpose is to have the throne in one of our families.
Oh, yes.
What be about?
That's why I'm here.
My fellow elders, Odunze, I like your decision.
Oh, thank you.
Because our community is still in darkness, and the poor fellow controls it.
I thank you. I thank you, all of you.
But my decision is based on action, not just words. Huh? You know what I am capable of. Huh? If I am made the king, I will change this village, change this, turn things around for good. That's why I'm here. And so let us discuss it as brothers.
My fellow elders, he has gone for the meeting of other kings in Obodenu. Let us see how he will feel when he meets other kings that have money. I know he will be disgraced.
Disgraced.
A disaster.
A wretched man leading a community like this. Drink. Where is it? Bring more drinks.
My love.
Oh, baby.
I love you so much.
I love you too. You're a nice man. You are nice.
Come, give me a kiss. I have a surprise for you.
A surprise for me?
Yeah, just wait.
Okay.
You see, my love, I promised that I will always make you happy, and I will keep to my promise. So, here is the money you ask for.
Baby, you give me more than what I asked for. This is too much.
You see, my love, love is all about giving. Besides, my name is Kounyea, and I have money. You see, me one. I can never run dry.
Right.
Okay?
Baby, thank you so much.
It's okay, my love.
And I promise I am going to love you until I die. I will love you until I die.
No one is dying, no. The both of us here on earth for life. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. So, put it in your bag. So, let me go drop you off. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Boss, I can do this work. Eh? What do you want from us? Or do you want to join us to work?
I'm not a human being. I want to work now. I want to hustle.
Guy, do you know that you are the prince of this land? Why are you guys doing this to us?
I don't understand. What do you mean? I'm not a human being like you. As a prince, I cannot hustle and make money. Huh?
Okay, see. Let him work. So he can make some money to buy some clothes. Huh?
Is that this sort of work? Make up my head not even before the work or something. Have I not been wearing clothes?
Yes.
Make money and wear some clothes.
Yes. Tell your papa to leave the throne for a rich man to have it, so we benefit from it.
Wow.
It is not because it is this birthright now we all die poor. When a king is poor, what will happen to his subject?
You benefit from it. You want to benefit from it? How? How do you want to benefit from it?
Oh,
like you're talking to my.
You don't like good food. You don't like that.
Hey! What is wrong with you?
Prince.
Who are we going to fight to?
Look at you. You want to come and work. You are not ashamed of yourself. And you don't have good math, so we will employ you.
Look at this, Prince.
See your head.
Nonsense, Prince.
Just come back here again.
What's this? I don't understand. Why would they treat me like that? Why would they do that to me? Huh? Why?
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Eh? One day all of them will regret this.
It's not okay. Is it my fault that I don't have the kind of money they have? Is it?
It's okay. Mama, what happened? Talk to me, please.
Listen, I'm no longer interested in their meeting. Let them continue. Let them continue the meeting. I will not do anything with this.
It's okay. Go inside and now. It's okay. You know? You see this money? Eh? Ihurega! One day we'll gather this money in quantums.
Mama, tell me what happened now.
If you see the way they insulted your father and I at the meeting, hey, because of money, look at me. Do we not look royalty?
Why would they do that? Mama?
Who are you? You might not remember me, but I do remember you. My name is Dabere, daughter of late Ichie Ikpondo.
What? Is this you?
Yes.
When did you come back to this community?
I came like a thief in the night because I know that none of you want to see me.
Hey, wo.
No leave with us.
Are we fighting with the girl?
I don't know.
Why will she talk to us like that?
You know, some time ago I heard she is now a musician. Can't you see how she's dressed?
Rubbish. What sort of musician is that? Is that why she dressed like a Jamaican?
Asa, my only sister. Asalistic, Asalimpopo. How are you?
If not because of money, will you be hailing me like this?
How can you say that?
Truth.
How can you say that?
I know.
My own sister. I won't hail my sister. Or the possible. What are the possible? See, it's either I hail money differently and I'll hail you differently. If I don't hail you, who will? Forget that thing. You're my sister, my only sister.
Anayo, I'll go inside now and get you the money. But listen to me. I will give you money now. And the money I'm going to give you for yourself and for Mama.
Okay.
The one I'm giving you for Mama, give it to her. And the one I'm giving it for yourself, you have to use it wisely. Please. I know why I'm saying it.
See, Asalistic. As I talk as if you don't know your brother again. I don't touch people's money. This one I'm talking as if you give me this one now, go and spend it.
I know
spend
you.
mama's own. No, straight to mama. Forget that thing. You know me. And the one you are giving me for my business, I will use it wisely. Who in this world can use money wisely more than me?
I know.
And see, let me tell you, see this Akwame that's giving you money like this. God will bless him. It's only God that will bless that guy. See, he has been doing so much for us, especially for you. What I'm waiting for is the day you come and say, Anna, you're my in-law. I am coming tomorrow to pay or to marry your sister. I will tell him, come. I'm the kinsman myself. Do you understand? So any day he's coming, let him come. Even if he doesn't have money to pay, let him come. He has tried.
Oh, Jesus, look at my brother. So you want somebody to come and marry your sister without money?
Anna,
you will accept?
I come here. What try be?
Hey! Anna,
that guy has tried so much. The money has been given you. Is it not enough to marry you?
Anna, I am going to marry him, but he will come with money.
Which money again?
Come and take your money.
You want to? Because now, but I come here. Somebody should come and marry your sister. It's not like that. Let's go inside. Let me. I got your word and you start coming, please. Inside.
Yes, that's exactly what is going to happen. I love the way you understand and control the affair, the custom and the tradition of this land.
Thank you very much, Chiodoze. I must tell you that your visit here surprises me. Nevertheless, I'd like to know what good blessings your heart brings.
Oh yes, blessings come to those who are willing to accept the offer. And it is like an opportunity that comes but once.
Well, there's no right thinking king that will refuse an opportunity for blessings for his people.
Oh yes, that's okay. I have good vision and mission for the people of this community, for my people. I have the ability to establish 3 multinational, multi-million naira companies for this community, so that our team in use, we have employment opportunity.
That's good.
And that is only when you agree to step down for me as king.
As what?
As the king.
I'm disappointed in you.
Oh no, look at it this way. I will build a state-of-the-art duplex mansion for you. I will give you plots of land and then 10 million naira to go with. It's only pay like about money. It's okay.
Chiodoze, to say the least, you disappoint me. Instead of you as my right-hand man to support me and do things, instead your heart is after the throne. Let me tell you, this throne is not for sale. Go and renew your glasses so that your vision can be clearer. Get out of my palace before I do something stupid, before I ask the gods to strike you dead here.
No. They will not strike me dead because I have good vision and mission for the people of this community. Well, I will go as you said. But think about what I told you. Whenever you are ready, just call me on the phone. I will come and better your life.
Well, renew your glasses for better visions. Get out of my palace. Now! Get out before I do something.
Ma, you mean she gave you all this money?
She gave me all this money, baby girl. You can hardly hear what she speaks.
Oh.
This girl now Susie French. French!
Hey!
Hey!
Ma, you know no fair. You are inside soup now, so poto. All this money for you. Ma, you are rich.
Who you? Who you? Respect yourself, oh.
There is love in sharing.
Yeah. You see that girl? She has really brought my heart. Anything she wants, I will do it for her.
Me,
yes,
I go like that for her. No, what
What are we still waiting for? Let's go and collect our own share. Let's go.
What's not again? Where are people going to?
We're going to collect our own share.
Hey, my dear, come back. Come back. She's not around.
Mama, don't play with
Forget it. She's not around.
What do you mean?
As I speak to you, she has gone to see the Igwe. So you people should better come back. You meet an empty house.
Let us go to the house.
Mama, I see money. Mama, see money. As a woman, as a woman.
Daughter of late Chie Kondo.
Dabere, the daughter of Chie Kondo. Hey! You have grown so big. Hey! Dabere, when did you enter this village?
Today, monsieur. I mean, today, sir.
Dabere, I can see that you are fluent in French language.
Oui. Yeah, you know, I stayed there, and I'm also into music. I've started learning reggae music. In fact, I have my music after.
Wonderful. Yes. That's good to know. But where are you off to with all this equipment?
To the Igwe's palace to pay homage and tell him about my song.
Do you really need to? Huh? Well, not to bother you. I allow you to go and see things for yourself. But do not forget to come and pay me homage. Huh? Because soon I'll be taking over.
Very well then. I'll come and pay you homage too. Merci. Merci.
I think my queen has arrived. She befits my status. Oh yes! She befits my status as the king in Mecca.
My baby.
Yes, boo.
My baby.
Yes, boo boo.
Oh, my baby.
Yes, boo boo.
My baby. Oh, my baby. Eat money. Huh? I'm not going to be here. If I happen.
I'm eating the money.
See, there is money. After this one, there is money again. Eh?
Baby.
So, see, after here now, straight to that hotel. We are going to stay there till daybreak. Nobody is going home.
Babe,
eh?
Why must we always end up in a hotel? Eh? Why now? Why can't we just eat the money, you give me some, I go home and rest? We must not always end up in a hotel.
Why are you talking like this? I thought we are together.
Maybe we are together. If not you, who else? Eh? My love. But see, I don't have strength today. I am tired. I just want us to finish here. You give me some money, then I go home and rest. To come back another day.
Okay, no problem. As far as you will be happy.
Yes.
No problem.
So make
See,
me happy.
let me tell you. Once your sister is about to marry a rich man, you too, you are about to marry a rich man.
Babe, what are you talking about? How are you getting married to a rich man?
It's a family marriage. Family marriage. See, my sister's fiancé will give her money. My sister will give me. I will give you. You give your sister. Your sister will give your brother. Is it not family marriage?
It's family marriage
It's
now.
a rotational marriage. Money is circulating.
It's going round
That is
and round.
family marriage. Don't worry. If you don't want to go to hotel, no problem.
I don't want to go to hotel today.
Don't worry. It will not be a problem. You can go to your house tomorrow. You come. As far as money is concerned, I will pack money and give you. You have not seen money.
They begin money today.
I'm giving you money. As I'm talking now, money is coming out and entering inside you.
Baby.
Once I put hand in my pocket, once my hand go for the bag, money is coming out. Even if you are sleeping, as far as money, my hand is going at the back. Get up, money is coming. Yes, money is coming out like masquerade.
No problem. If you just give me money today and I'll go home and
You see this one? I will drink 1 carton of stout. You will drink 1 carton of wine. Once my own finish, I will call them, they will bring. Your own will finish. I will call them, they will bring. Drink up, drink up. Do you need more?
Maybe I'm okay with this one.
Let me make her. Let them bring 1 carton of wine for you.
Maybe I'm okay with this one. I just want to.
My account is green.
Like, right.
Drink up.
Please, get me some water to drink.
My Igwe, what is it?
Some things are better left caged in the mind. But it's okay. I'll be fine.
I know. I want you to know something. Family is the best. I am you. Your problems are mine. Chai, relax. Relax. You see God, Chukwu Kikabiama, that we serve. He will one day bless us. You are the Igwe. Nobody will take it away from you. I want you to know that. Relax, Nam.
It's okay. Like I said, I'll be fine. In fact, I'm fine. I'm fine. Get me the water.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But please warn them. I will never allow anybody to intimidate me in this village. It will never happen.
My son, calm down. Calm down. Forget them. Let them just say whatever they like. Let them do whatever they like. Can't affect you.
But Igwe, we need to summon those boys. At least to caution them.
It's true. That is true. I will do my...
Salutation Aurora. Greetings to the king.
Greetings. Who do we have here?
My name is Dabere, the daughter of late Ichie Ikpondu.
What?
Ichie?
What? Is this you?
You're welcome.
Is this you?
Yes.
Who is she?
Oh, grown up.
Ikpondu's daughter.
Sit.
No. Thank you, my king.
So, you know her? You are all grown up.
Yes.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you, my king. Thank you, Lord.
He went out. Let us go then.
No, we have to wait for her.
Madoka, stay here and wait.
Yes.
As who? I told you that we need to make plans. Very soon that girl will begin to ask questions.
How?
Oh, you are asking me how?
Yes.
Stop begging. You must leave. Today you must leave. Move.
Like this. Move! Oh, I don't like this thing. Move. If you are innocent, we know. Move. Both of you should keep quiet before we kill both of you. Oh yeah. I cannot.
You decide to follow your mother.
I don't like this thing now.
You see what I told you? That one day this girl will come back. I told you.
Don't worry. There's nothing she can do. We have taken over the land.
What if she begins to ask for the land?
Does a woman need a land for anything? I told you, let us wait for her. When she comes, we put some fears into her. It's still fear into her. Eh? I tell you, I have a plan. Let us wait.
Madoka, let your plans not put us into more trouble.
Check. Why are you such a lazy person?
Honestly, I am so happy that you're still alive. So tell me, how did you survive?
Ngwe, it was not easy at all. After they sent my mother away from the village, I had to follow her. It was not easy.
My daughter, Mama, you have to go back to your father's land. Please, go to your father's house because...
Mama, I'm not going back there. Never, I'm not leaving you here. God in heaven will judge those people for what they have done to us.
I'm innocent. I did not kill your father.
I know, Mama.
I did not kill your father. I'm innocent. Oh.
Mama, don't worry, okay? Don't cry, Mama. Don't cry. One day, those people will live to regret this. They will live to regret this. Mama, you're shaking. Mama, your body is hot. Mama, wait. Just,
I feel like just
let me get you some drugs. Mama, let me get you drugs. Let me get you some drugs.
Don't bother.
No, I shouldn't bother. You're shaking.
Don't bother. I'm getting weak every minute.
Your body is hot. Okay, just lay down. Just lie down. Come in, get your drugs. Mama, I'm coming, okay? Just hold still. I'll be back.
My daughter, what happened?
Please, my mother is dying, please. I need money to get some drugs for my mother. Please.
Oh.
My uncles said my mother was the one that killed my father. And the same was after all this plan.
Oh. My daughter, don't worry. I want them not to do this, but they wouldn't listen. My daughter, don't worry. I will find some money. Collect this. Go and take care of your mother. Go now. My daughter, go. No, don't worry. My daughter, don't worry. Go. Go and take care of your sick mother. Go.
Bless you.
Yeah, go.
drunk now, so you'll be fine. When I left here, you were... Mama? Mama, no. Mama, take your drugs. Look at your drugs, Mama. Mama, the drug, the chemist said I should give you this one first. And you're cold. Mama, somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Mama. Somebody help me. Somebody help me! Anybody! Somebody help me!
So I went to my mother's village and got my mother's brother, my uncle, who came and carried her body and buried her. Then me, I went to the city to live with somebody. From the city, I went to the country where I went to learn reggae. Even though I've not finished learning reggae. Because you know reggae comes with dada. My dada has not grown. So I'm still learning it. I'm not perfect yet, but I'm still learning the reggae.
A pathetic story. It is really sad. Honestly, our people are bad. They're bad. It is only the gods that can judge all of us. The good thing is that you're alive and here. So, just relax yourself, feel at home, food will soon be ready. Is the food ready?
I've added a lot of things. No, it will soon be ready.
No. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You've seen the way the gods has blessed us with royalty. What can we do?
I hear everything they say. I hear it. But don't worry. I don't have to say I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. Until you see what I'm going to do. But very soon, they will all come and bow before you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
Don't worry, my prince. Very soon, you'll be recognized as the prince that you are. In a little time.
Little time.
How's your daughter?
She's not around, but she will soon be back.
Yes, okay. Thank you.
Well, please, let this food be ready on
Yes,
time so that she can eat. It's coming from the distance. Please.
What?
You
You mean she gave you all this money?
Yes, so she gave me all this money, Papa. I never knew she's this nice.
Oh yes, I knew that Dabere is a very good woman. I can't wait to welcome her here.
Papa, are you sure she can come here? Are you sure she will come here?
I met her on the way. Why, she was going to that wretched man. And she promised that she will come here.
Are you serious?
Oh yes. You see, if what I am planning works out,
okay,
I am going to marry her, make her my queen. How do you see it?
Papa, Papa, what are you waiting for now? Marry her already. I would like her to be my stepmother. Yes, sir. Papa, okay. Sister would like it too. Papa, please, you have to do something because other girls have started going to her house. Yes.
But why do you have to show them this money? It's supposed to be a secret. Now they will go to her house now, spoil her way.
Papa, if it's that one, relax. Papa, relax. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. Papa, are you not the one that told me that Ichie Akazu and Ichie Maduka humiliated her? And have you forgotten that Bella is Ichie Maduka's daughter? She will not even like to see her at all. So, Papa, relax. I know what I'm doing. Okay?
Well, I pray. Thank God for bringing Dabere back to this village.
I thank God too. Papa, look at me. I'm now Haza. Haza woman. Haza woman. Papa. Foreign currency.
Oh.
Papa, my name now is Haza woman.
That's the man with the ratty man's job.
Oh, this This is good. My daughter, I am happy for you.
My king, nobody is going to play on the day of your father. No musician from outside will come and entertain.
Me and the ratty man, we be come to entertain the people up on the Jamaica god, the ratty man. Ratty man rapping like a puyaka and like a bomba clan.
Wait, let your father confess.
Dabere, thank you. Thank you. If only these village people will allow us to enjoy this royalty. Little. They look down on us so much because of no money.
Don't worry, Father. Don't worry. I will make it right.
You are the beauty Lola from the kingdom, man. A ratty man come with a mina. We come and sing a lala, a beautiful Lola, you know.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming back to make us happy.
Auntie Dabere, thank you so much. We're so happy to have you back.
Don't worry. This family is the best family in this village. Thank you. Good family. Huh? Thank you. I have money. I have connection. Anybody that fights you, me fight them. In fact, that man, I'm going to deal with him.
The man to look on the king and his family because the king be a good man. He's in a house. He's a use. He coming from a house.
Dabere, thank you very much. But please, the one I don't want is for you to fight anybody. Yeah? I'm going to make sure that I do not allow that man take my throne. It will not happen.
Because of this, your determination, I will sing one of my album. I've not brought it out yet. That time when I told you I was learning reggae, I wrote it, the song. So let me give you that one.
Even the spirit of the king, spirit of the king, like a German coming on the line. Oh, the jar be the one true God, and like a Babylon jar coming on me house, talking to me house, coming on me house. Hey, talking on me house, like a Rastaman jar. Hey.
I told you I am the only rich man in this village. I told the people to allow me become the king so that I will change their life, transform things. But Igwe would not agree to that. He refused.
You want to replace Igwe? You want to be king?
Oh yes, because I am rich and connected. How many of them in this village have cars? But I do. Only for a few young men. I told them to surrender the leadership to a man of timber and caliber, myself. So that I transform this timid village, undeveloped village, develop it to our present London.
You're right. You're right. You're a very rich man. You're very rich man. My eyes are seeing things coming now. You are right. You're right.
You see, this is palm wine.
I am seeing it. I'm seeing it. You are very right. You know, I've been asking myself, who in this village can I run things with? I said, there's nobody. There's nobody. There's nobody.
My father is capable. Hi. My father, very, very capable.
Oh yes.
You're right. You don't have to talk too much. You don't have to say much. I agree with you. Yes. I agree with you.
I make your choice.
He just come from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Can go back to the Jamaican drink. We get the wine, we don't get the palm wine. We choose the palm wine.
Dabere, that is why I am here. Your late father and I, we are very good friends.
I tried to make sure that they didn't send your mother away. But you see, this my government work did not allow me to know when that happened. It's a pity.
Me believe you. Me believe you. No problem.
Dabere, you see, I don't know. I have good plans for you. For you and I. Oh yeah?
Okay. Okay. Me don't know if me can trust you.
Trust? I am the only person you can trust in this village. Oh yes. I told you I have good plans for you. Soon I will become the king of this kingdom. Did they hear me? The government has given Igwe mandate to go and do his first ofala. Yes, and I know that will cost much money. Where does he have this money? He has not this money. So that will cause them to disqualify him. When he will be darling, borrowing money.